Hello students, welcome back. This is the video of class 9 biology, and as you know we are studying chapter 1 fundamental unit of life, that is cell, and today's topic is types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So on the basis of the nuclear organization, cells have been classified into two types, and as you know the cells have the control system in it, and that control system have all the information, all the data to control all the activities of the cell. So first of all we will see the what is nucleus and what is the structure of nucleus. So here you can see a complete true nucleus which is having so many components, not so many but few components, and here you can see four main components found in the nucleus, which is the first one is nuclear membrane. This is the outermost covering of the nucleus and which is discontinuous. It is having pores. That pores are called nuclear pore, which communicate inside and outside environment of the nucleus. And inside the nuclear membrane there is a thread, entangled thread like a structure which is chromosome, and there is another rounded structure that is called nucleolus. So this is the complete true nucleus, and which is having nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nuclear pore and chromosome. And now we will talk about what is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So prokaryotic cell, this word prokaryotic is made up of two words, the two Greek words, that is pro and karyon. Pro means before and karyon means nucleus. So the nucleus, which is primitive, very simple type of and the cell which is having the very primitive and simple kind of nucleus, they are called prokaryotic cell. Here you can see the diagram of bacteria. A bacterium is here, and this bacterium is having the prokaryotic cell. And here you can see there is the genetic material of the bacterium, and which is not covered by the nuclear membrane. So they are very primitive kind of nucleus having, and that's why they are prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are single celled and lack a nuclear membrane. So this is to remember that prokaryotic cells do not have nuclear membrane, and they are very simplest kind of cell, and they have primitive organization of genetic material. The genetic material is a single molecule of circular DNA, and these cells have an undefined nuclear region and called nucleoid due to the absence of nuclear membrane. So as you know, the bacteria or prokaryotic cell do not have the nuclear region, and their genetic material is not bounded by the nuclear membrane, and in this case the genetic material is called as nucleoid. And these cells lack several membrane bound organelles as well, like mitochondria, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast and nucleolus. These cell membranes are not found in the prokaryotic cell. Many of the functions of these cells are performed by poorly organized parts of the cytoplasm. So as you know, the membrane bound cell organelles are not present in the prokaryotic cell. So the functions are done in the cytoplasm itself of the prokaryotic cell. And here you can see the example of the prokaryotic cell, that is bacteria and blue green algae. So keep this in your mind that there are two main organisms which are having the prokaryotic cells, and these organisms are bacteria and blue green algae. Now we will talk about eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are the cells which are having true nucleus. Eukaryotic word is made up of two Greek words, that is eu means true and karyon means nucleus. Means the cells which are having true nucleus, they are called eukaryotic cell. And you can see the diagram of eukaryotic cell. It is having all the cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, centriole and lysosome, all the cell organelles, and very importantly that they have the nucleus, complete true nucleus with the nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cells have a well-defined nuclear membrane, and in these cells, the genetic material is made up of two or more DNA molecules. The nuclear material consists of a linear DNA enclosed in a nuclear membrane. So, the genetic material of the eukaryotic cell is made up of a linear DNA, and that is covered by a nuclear membrane. These cells have a well-organized nucleus, that is true nucleus, and these cells have well-developed membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, chloroplast, and nucleolus, etc. Example of eukaryotic cells is plants, animals, fungi, and protozoa, and as well as the human beings. Now we will see differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and here is the table you can see here. Here this is the features and on which we will differentiate the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay, the size of the cell. So on the basis of the size of the cell, you can see the prokaryotic cells are smaller in size and they can measure from 1 to 10 micrometer, and the eukaryotic cells are large in size and they can measure from 5 to 100 micrometer. Now, on the basis of nucleus, you can say that the prokaryotic cells have undefined nuclear region due to absence of nuclear membrane, and the eukaryotic cells have well-defined nuclear region surrounded by the nuclear membrane. So basically you have to remember that in prokaryotic cells there is absence of nuclear membrane, and the eukaryotic cells they have the nuclear membrane. Their genetic material is bounded by the nuclear membrane. Now we will see on the basis of chromosome, the genetic material that is called chromosome. In the prokaryotic cell, the single molecule of circular DNA is found, and in the eukaryotic cell, more than one chromosomes are found. In case of prokaryotic cell, the nucleolus is absent, and in prokaryotic cell, the nucleolus is present. On the basis of membrane bound cell organelles, you can differentiate them that the prokaryotic cell, the membrane bound cell organelles are absent, but in eukaryotic cell all the membrane bound cell organelles are present. So these are the main differences of the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, and you must keep this in your mind that prokaryotic cells are the primitive kind of cells. They are the first kind of cells developed on this earth, and eukaryotic cells are the more advanced kind of cells, and they are found in all the high class animals and plants. So this is all for this video, and in the next video we will talk about some more topics of this chapter, that is fundamental unit of life, that is cell. And till then, thank you everyone.